guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today is going to be a very exciting and fun video, at least I hope it will be. You guys are going to be seeing me, watching me use this little thing, contraption, vacuum suctioner thing for the first time. So it is the PMD Personal Microderm. I did go ahead and pick this up from Boxy Pop-Up. I got it for a really good discounted price, but in case you guys are not subscribed to BoxyCharm, or if you didn't get it in Boxy Pop-Up, Ulta is having their 21 Days of Beauty, and on Wednesday, March 25th, they are going to be having this also. So we're gonna see at the end if I recommend this or not to you, because it is pretty pricey, but they're having it for a really good price. So let's go ahead and just read a little bit about it. It's cute because it's pink. I also got to choose the color. It's pink. So it says, included inside, Personal Microderm Classic, the solar thingy. Yeah, the body and facial cap, power adapter, white training disc, 2 very sensitive gray discs, 2 sensitive blue disc, 2 moderate green discs, and reusable filter. Put on a fresh face, Personal Microderm Classic is a revolutionary at-home device providing the same brilliant results as professional in-office microdermabrasion treatments. How it works. 1. Exfoliation. By removing the dead, dull skin barrier, new skin growth is stimulated and a glowing, youthful appearance is revealed. 2. Vacuum suction. Suction activates and triggers the cell turnover process, leaving skin fresh and radiant. And step 3, absorption. Once the dead, dull skin barrier is removed, skincare products can penetrate significantly deeper, maximizing their benefits. And then also has the benefits, and it says, after 1 treatment of Personal Microderm will reveal smoother, softer skin. To notice significant results, use the Personal Microderm once a week for 8 to 12 weeks. And it has a cool little face here. It says just increase hydration, reduce appearance of pore size, reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, even out skin tone and texture, diminish appearance of spots. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and I guess just open up this part. Okay, so it looks like this. Let's see what it has. Customized treatment, so you can have the small disc for face or smaller areas, and then you have the large disc for body. I can do my body. Ultra sensitive, and then very intense. Not all discs are included in this set. Oh, okay, alright. I guess if you were to need a more intense one, because I think they only have up to the green one. If you wanted a more intense one, then I guess you can go to their website and purchase their most intense. Oh, it does say replace discs every 3 to 4 uses. After consistent treatment, skin may become more tolerant. Gradually increasing disc intensity is recommended. Okay, that makes sense. We recommend also watching our how-to video at their website. So it's cool, it breaks it down even simpler, and then it has a picture of the lady with the arrows. I don't want anything to fall out, so I'm gonna slide it out. That's all. So it comes like this. I'm excited. Okay, so now I see this is the cap heads. This is the smaller one for the face or small areas, and this is the bigger one for the body. Important, read instructions before using. Yes, always read your instructions. Let me show you guys just real quick. So that's the video. Then of course, step 1, step 2, it shows you all the steps right there also. Wait, I need to see that again. Hold up, you're too fast. Already the white thingy that you need to test it on your arm or something. Also, you want to be sure not to go over the same area more than once, and it says redness may occur. Right now I'm gonna test it out with the white one, and then I'll probably do with the most sensitive one, which is the gray. I'm going to untwist the cap. I'm going to take the training disc. That's the training disc. I'm going to take it out. Okay, I'm gonna put in the gray one. That thing, you want to make sure you are cleaning it after each use also, along with the cap. Then you go ahead and twist on the cap again. It says don't apply pressure. Gently glide along skin. Let me show you guys, that is off and that is on. Feel the suction, it is suctioning the skin. It's leaving little white spots. I'm guessing it's my dead skin cells. I'm not sure. Alrighty guys, so obviously I know I missed some spots, but I was examining my face like really up close with like my 3 times magnification mirror right here. I still don't know what those like white things are, but like that's the least of my problems. Like I can like literally just like dust it off. So yes, I'm gonna go wash this and this right now in a little bit. Let me just go ahead and wrap this up. I definitely do feel that with time using this, like as they say you should use it and as the recommended time, I definitely do see it working. So since this is just my first time using it, I know I missed like probably like a lot of spots. I didn't go like in all the areas I should have. It was hard to get around my nose also, and also with time you just get the better hang of it. Like I probably wasn't holding it right. I just want to touch my face like real quickly. I mean, it does feel smooth. I think I did a pretty good job on my forehead, and that one actually feels like you can tell a significant difference of how this feels to how more like this. I didn't get too much of this area because I was afraid of like getting it too close to my eye. I think I was lifting it up too early because it says apply no pressure, so I wasn't trying to apply pressure on it, so I would kind of like lift it up before it would like end. Pain wise, like it's not painful, it's just like suctioning it and just like pulling on your skin, I guess. It wasn't painful. Like if you can handle it like suctioning your skin, like a light pull, a light tug, then it's fine. I definitely do see this working in the long run. I'm going to continue using it. I do really like it, so now would I recommend it to you? If you are going to keep up with it, yes. If you don't want to go and spend the money in an office visit with like the pros and whatever, yes. It's a very, like they say, like it is convenient to do at home. As long as like if you're dedicated and committed to doing this and wanting, you know, your personal microdermabrasion at home, this is the tool for you. I'm happy with my purchase, so if you do want to pick it up at Ulta for their 21 Days of Beauty on March 25th, if this is something you think you would like to try or maybe gift it to someone that might want it, I don't know, give it a shot. I mean, it's for a really good discounted price. You can't beat that. And if it doesn't end up working for you, I guess return it, I don't know. But again, you do have to give it that time to see those results. If I do remember right, I think in the video it said 8 to 12 weeks. So what is that, like about 3 months is when you will start seeing like the full results. So that was all for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.